Don't want the pizza to get jealous by my having other lunches. We're drawing tip lines. All right. So today, for some reason, I'm choosing to place the lines instead of throwing the lines. I place the lines when there's very little room for error. But when there's lots of room for error, I throw them willy-nilly. Throw them into the air as if I do not care. Lots of space down here at the bottom of the nose. Throwing lines. Willy-nilly. Who is this Willy? Who is this guy named Willy? I don't know who this Willy is. Would you tell him to calm down? He can't just be throwing lines anywhere where he wants to be. Uh-oh, what did I do? All right, let's see how this looks underneath the eyes. And now let's work on this eye. I love drawing old men with wrinkles and beards. Wrinkles and beards. All right, let's see what it looks like without the blue lines. I like it. Oh, missed a spot. This doesn't look done without the tick lines. Oh, we have to. There's something I missed here. Alright, now let's work on the mustache. We are standing up. Let's do that again. Let's do it this way. Nope, I don't like that. I don't like it. Let's do it again. So I'm scribbling in a certain direction, scribbling along the contour of the mustache. And then we'll look at the lips, the lip wrinkles. I don't know what else to call these. What? Lip creases? Lip cracks? Nobody wants cracks in their lips. But there they are. Dear God. Let's do this again. Let's try it again. See, the thing is, when you don't make your pencil lines extremely accurate, then you have to make some decisions with your ink brush. That's not the best thing. You really want to be decisive with your ink brush instead of being sketchy with your ink brush. You really want your lines to be confident.